everyone, and welcome to my channel. So if you're new here, please do not forget to click on the subscribe button, and if you're a returning subscriber, hi and welcome back. So today we'll be doing the wash day and protective hairstyle, Ben & Betty African hairstyle. To start off, I'm going to section my hair into 4 parts. You can either do a braid, you can do a twist out, whichever one works for you. And then I'm going to go ahead and use my water spray bottle to spray my hair. So you need to make sure that it is damp. So your sections don't need to be neat because you're going to unravel them anyway. So just spray your hair and make sure that it's damp. This allows you to use less product when you apply the shampoo, because if your hair is already wet, you won't be using as much product as you would use if applying it on dry hair. I am using the organic shampoo for dry and damaged hair, and I'm just applying it onto my hair and scalp and massaging my scalp. So I did this for a good 10 minutes. So the scalp massage increases hair thickness by stretching the cells of hair follicles. This in turn stimulates the follicles to produce thicker hair. It is also thought that a scalp massage may help dilate blood vessels beneath the skin, thereby encouraging hair growth. So I did this for a good 15 minutes, and then I went to go wash my hair. So you need to make sure that everything is washed thoroughly. Alright, so after washing my hair, I then went again to use the organic conditioner, and applied it onto my hair. So with deep conditioning, it penetrates the hair shaft and helps to restore the natural shine to the hair. Over time, your hair can accumulate build-up from the weather and also from different products. So deep conditioning your hair helps to smooth the shaft of your hair and gain back the natural of your shine. So I went ahead to detangle the hair also with my hand, and then just put on the plastic for deep conditioning and my head scarf. So I had this on for a good 10-15 minutes as well, and then I went ahead to rinse my hair. So after I was done detangling my hair, I went ahead to use the MPL coconut oil. So I used this whilst my hair was still damp, because the water acts as a moisturizer for your hair, and the oil then helps you to lock in the moisture from your hair. So leaving oil on your hair every day for too long can cause product build up on your scalp. It may also clog your pores, attract dirt, and accumulate dandruff. Oiling your hair every day also means that you wash it with shampoo every day. So oiling your hair once or 2 times a week is recommended. Also, oil strengthens your hair. Oil increases the elasticity of your hair, which means that it is less prone to breakage. So then after I was done with all of that, I then went ahead to part and section my hair in the style that I would want my Ben & Betty to go like, just like I did on the video. And after that, I then went ahead to just make sure that everything is detangled properly, and went ahead with the yarn or wool. You just take one side of the wool with your one hand that will be holding your hair, and then you take the other side of the wool to wrap up your hair. and then after you're done with that, you're gonna tie it into a knot at the end, and then you join it with your other hair, and this is basically what you do the entire hairstyle. So I'm just gonna let you guys watch the video to see exactly how I do this hairstyle. Alright, so now that I'm done with my hairstyle, I just went ahead to brush my hairline because I didn't really manipulate my hair in front so that I don't break my hairline or mess up with my hairline. I then went ahead to tie the remaining hair at the back with the U, and now I'm using the MPL oil to make sure that my scalp is moisturized. And this was basically it for today's look. So if you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and comment on the comment section below, and do not forget to subscribe. I will see you guys next time. Thank you for watching my video, and bye bye.